Well, hello everybody, it's Bella here. Just come on to say I've made it. I've made 600 subbies and I'm so grateful. Thank you so much. I'm from RachandBellaCrafts, as you know, and I'm Bella from Bella's Crafty Studio. So there we go. Thank you all so much. And I haven't just come on just to tell you that I've made 600 subbies. I've also come on to show you my flip through. I need to stand up a minute to realign this, that I've already sold. It was a custom order for a lady in Canada. I won't give you her name because I haven't had permission, but she's thrilled to bits with it. So I'm thrilled that she's thrilled. So I'll just do a quick flip through. And I've had permission to show this. She said she doesn't want to watch it, so that's up to her. But anyway, I'm going to show you what I've been up to over the last couple of days. And I'm going on holiday on Saturday. Yay! Right, here we go. So it's a soft cover. I'll just show you there, and I'll show you there. And she's tied up with a lovely organza bow, and it's beautiful lace, and the lace is completely from that little dress that I got from the charity shop. I don't think, no, that's not it. That's off something else. I was just wondering whether that was part of it, but I don't think it is. I can't remember. But anyway, there we go. So let's start looking then, shall we? So I think what I'll do, I'll measure it first so you get some idea of the height and the length. So that's 23 to the actual cover there. If I push the lace in, you can see that's 23 centimeters. And of course that extends it a little bit more. And it's 15, possibly 15 and a half centimeters that way. And I don't know what I've done with my other ruler, because it's hidden amongst, oh, I'm sorry. I can't convert it to inches because I've lost my ruler. So there it goes. So, and the spine is stitched in there, as you can see. And she's maybe 2.5 centimeters that way. And when she's closed, she's 5.5. But of course, once I open her, and I'll need to line it back up again, so I'll have to stand up. All right, because I want to make sure it's in shot. There we go. And she is quite a gator mouth, but I'm holding her like that. So she's 10 centimeters. All right, so if I put that there like that, I think I'll be okay like that. So there we go. I hope you're all well. So it's been absolutely beautiful this week. So we're all thrilled, and I'm just praying now that the weather will hold now whilst we're on holiday. So there we go. I've sewn in 2 signatures, as you can see, and it's not just a prayer journal. The lady wanted it to be something beautiful for her to ponder on and to look at. So it has some religious elements in it, but it also has other things like this. So there's a pocket there that I've made, and this is from Rachel and Bella's Nana's Roses kit, this one. All right, and I think this is from one of Rachel's kits as well, this page. Plenty of room there for, and that's out of the kit as well. All right, so I've made, and the hearts are from the kit. I need to stick that back down, so I'm going to leave that out because that's popping up. I made a little bow to go on there, and we've got some stitching going on just around that side there. Okay, with a lovely, now these images are from Ruby and Pearl, by the way, XO, Ruby and Pearl XO. That's Rachel's from her Nana's lace kit, which is on our Etsy shop. This is a little flip there with some lace. Some of that lace I showed you there. Actually, I do think that's off the dress because I remember putting that on. Yes, it is. Little flip there. And what I've done here, I put in some little cards that I had there, which she can write on in the little hearts. That's from the Rachel and Bella kit. There's some tags here that I've just popped in there. And there, and I couldn't dress those up too much because they wouldn't have gone in. So that's in there like that. These are from a floristry book. And this is just a Christian book that I have. So I thought these were very appropriate for thinking about churches and things like that. And, you know, that kind of thing. This is from Rachel's kit from RachandBella. So is that one. This is one of her papers as well. Now this is on parchment paper, this one. That's Braille paper. Feels lovely. That's just a little cigarette card. And I put some lace on there. Covered that with lace. This is a little flip I've done. Like that. And I put a button and some lace on the top there. I've sewn around these. And that's one of Ruby and Pearl Exo's images, and I did the painting on there, if you remember, with the stickles. Okay, and these pockets are part of the kit as well. So there's that one. I think I better stand up. And you can see that the shine on there. That's what we did the other day. I've got a little bit of lace on there and a butterfly from the kit. And that's another one where the wings are all shiny, and I put some lace at the top of that one. You've seen some of these because I did do some, and I've stitched around there, and I've stitched here as well. Okay, that's the little envelope that I made, and I think I've shown you these, so I don't need to take that out. Beautiful papers. And this one here, I will take it off, I will get it back on. That I made with some lace, and it's like a cluster, that one. I did show you these before, and there's plenty of writing space there. I'm not sure I'll get that back on without a fiddle, because look how tiny they are. I will attempt to. Whoop, done it. So I thought that looked nice on there. Okay. Beautiful papers. This is handmade paper here. These are the two. I've just tucked those in there because if the lady doesn't want to use them, then she can take them out and put in something else. But they're the ones I did with the stickles. Put some lace on there. This one I've made today, and I made a little flip, and that's embossed paper. Just ordinary. It is 120 grams, the paper, that one. I put some music paper. That is what I've just painted yesterday. I painted that yesterday with, where have I put it? Excuse me, this paint here, acrylic paint. All right. And that's out of Ruby and Pearl, I think. That's out of my little thing I made. So I've taken some of the paper out of there, at the back there. Okay. And where did that go now? See, it's fatal, isn't it? Oh, here, I think. I think I better put it straight back in, otherwise I'm going to forget. It's where the right grip. Not easy when you've got arthritis in your hands. But I'm trying. There we go, got it. I made a tag for there, and I painted with the stickles on his robe there. That's one I had in my stash, and that has got some embossed paper underneath and Ruby and Pearl paper underneath there. All right, with some lace on the top and a little organza bow. And that's a little pocket I made. I'll just hold that one up for you to see. All right. Right, that's the first signature. This is the second one. I don't know whether I mentioned about the front of that. Yeah, I did. So this is what I put on the second signature, which is what I showed you. Yeah, you weren't in frame. I decided I would use that one on there. All right, so stitching around there, stitching around the little Christian, well, it's Catholic actually. picture, and that's the stamps I used. I think I did show you these stamps, but I'll remind you again, and I'll just pop the number up just in case you didn't see it the first time. All right, that's what they look like. That's that one, and that one came from Hobbycraft apparently, and it's floral cross, which is quite lovely. And this one, need to stand up, I'm probably putting it in the wrong place. That's a church window. I'll do that one again just in case it wasn't on screen. I got a feeling it wasn't. So that was those. Okay, so quite a lot has been done to this journal. That one there is part of the kit, and I've just put, now this paper here I found in one of the haberdashery shops of all places, and they were closing down. They were selling all manner of things, and it's really sort of, it's like old-fashioned wallpaper, and I think, you know, like the edging used to get to go around. So, but it's all creased up. It's lovely. Look, beautiful, isn't it? So that was what I put on there by here, and I've stitched it on. There's another little flip there, and that was with this material that I bought. Okay, and I put some lovely lace over the top, and I put some lace on there, and I put the little what I use for when I was doing my heart for my slow stitch. That was, now this one here is, I don't know whether you can see it, it's got a lovely hem on it, and I thought it was really lovely. All right, so that's why I put that on there. That's Rachel's Nana's lace on there. I've covered this with lace, and I have put some of the kit behind there. This one's got a little flip, and it's got a cluster on the top. I'll hold it up and you can see the cluster. Okay, with some lace and that. There we are. Just put those on there in case the lady wants to play. And this is vellum, and I'm just I'm not sure, I think this is one of Rachel's. It's not from the Nana's Roses kit, it's from another kit, but I just love the colours, so I put that on there. Some more braille paper, and I put some of that paper I just showed you on there because I made a long cluster with that, and I cut it up. And this one is a tip in, so if you wanted to put something, it'll go in like that. Okay, and I've done some hand stitching on there as well, and that's my machine stitch. And this one, just hold it up, I did do some, yeah, it is showing, all right, but I've done a flip out with this one. So I've done that, put scripture on there. That's got some of the stickles on. All right, can you see that? Yep. This has got a belly band, and that's out of Nana's kit underneath, and I put lace over the top, and there's another little hem on there. Okay, I thought that was sweet. Put a little envelope on there, scripture down here. This is a little flip. That's an envelope. I did show you those the other day. That's the other side of the vellum. Little flip there. Plenty of writing space if she wants to do some writing. There's another flip here. I put some lace on there, and that's that paper again I was showing you. I've flung it somewhere and I can't, oh there it is. This paper again is down here, all right? And I put some gold edging around that cross there. I'm in love with these stamps. They're absolutely gorgeous. This one, no, this one, if you remember, I don't know whether I'll be able to find the, I'm just looking in my drawer now to see what I did with it. A sec. I know it's here. Oh, here it is, I've got it. if you remember, I was worried about it being a little bit rough. Well, it's very, very flat now. And all I did was use a nail sander thing. And I just went over it very lightly until it all came off. And it feels beautiful now. So either way, you can use the tip of the stickles. Where did I put my stickles? My desk is in a bit of a mess, but never mind. That's what I use. 3D Pearl Effects. And it's called Pastel Pink by Dove Crafts. Okay, so that's that. And I had the blue as well. And the white. So I may as well show you them all. Alright, so that's what I used there on when I was doing the... Put some material there with some lace over the top and a little bow there. And we're nearly at the end. And I put a scripture down here. Isn't that beautiful? And I made a tag to go in the back, which has got a pocket. And that's going down in there. I'll get it back in. There we are. And that's the pockets I made. So that's the other pocket. All right. So there she is. She's beautiful. And I shall miss her. But it's going to a lovely home in Canada. Well, thank you for watching and take care of yourselves because I probably won't do another video now until I come back off holiday. So look after yourselves and God bless you all. Bye for now.